Trust me, I understand how stressful social media can be. But in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to create 90 days content in minutes. In 5 minutes, literally in 5 minutes, you are done creating 90 days content, and you can as well schedule them on your Instagram, on your Pinterest, or any other social media platform, even YouTube. So stick to this video. You can either be an entrepreneur, a freelancer, a content writer, anything. And this video is the best video you would ever watch and the fastest method for you to create content in minutes. After this video, I don't want to hear, I don't know how to create content, I don't have content to create, I'm lacking ideas or anything. Watch this video to the end and don't miss any part. Without further ado, let's just kick straight into the video. First of all, before I start this video, have you dropped offering? Well, what I mean by offering is by clicking on the like button and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help people like yourself, people that need content like this, to see this video, and it will encourage me to do more videos for you guys. So let's start now. So the first thing you need to do is to go to OpenAI, or just input chat.openai.com, or better still, you could go to Google and search for ChatGPT or OpenAI. So let's do that right now. So let's search for ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So that's it. Then you click on the first one. If you've been watching my videos about AI, you should know this process by now. So click on try. And in case you don't have an account with ChatGPT, you could just create an account. And the normal process of creating an account, I don't want this video to be too long, so I want to speedily deliver to you guys, because I know you are super excited to know or to see the process at which I'm going to generate the whole 90 days content. So let's continue that. Now, once you are on this screen, what you want to do is to click right here and input your prompt, which is going to be probably compose 90 days, compose 90 days motivational tips on how to probably how to take care of your cat, how to sell tomato, how to probably take care of your gym, anything that you want. You could be compose 90 days motivational tips on how to do anything in your industry, maybe how to maintain your machine if you're a fashion designer, how to maintain your makeup if you are a makeup artist, or how to do anything. Probably if you are a gym instructor or a coach, you could just write compose 90 days motivational or compelling. There are some prompts that I do make use of, and I have them right here. So these are some prompts that I usually make use of, and if you've been watching my video, you would have seen me make use of some prompts like this. Like I could say generate 90 days motivational tips, compose, write 90 days motivational. So you could use, now you need to input some prompts that would make it look more reasonable. So that's why I'm making use of the word motivational. So you could just, if we make use of compose 90 days tips on how to, let me just, I'm going to show you the difference between using the word motivational or using the prompt motivational or compelling or fluent or something, and just inputting create or compose 90 days tips. So I'm going to show you guys the difference between using those two prompts. So let's say I'm using this how to, so let's just use this how to maintain your relationship. So let's assume I'm your relationship coach and I have an Instagram account, Pinterest account, or whatever, and I want to create 90 days content for you guys, for it to just, I have so many customers and I don't really have time to create content. So I'm just doing this to get my customers' attention and for them to always see something on my social media page or account. So let's input this prompt right now. Compose 90 days motivational tip on how to maintain a relationship. A relationship. So let's click on send and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So this is it. Compose 90 days motive. So it's composing the whole 90 days schedule for us right now. So I'm going to skip this part because I don't want you guys to get bored. So right now I just had to stop it here, because it's going to go on and on and on and on. So right now you can see, in case you don't really like what it has generated for you here, you can say give me a better list or use better words. So you could say, you could write all of those things. So because I don't want this video to be long, let's reduce this from 90 days to, let's just say 30 days. Let's assume you want to write 30 days content. So let's say 30 days motivational tips, or let's just make use of something short so that this video won't be too long. So let's say compose 15 days motivational tips on how to maintain a relationship. So you could make use of 13 days motivational tips. I don't want this video to be too long for you guys to watch, so just watch this video. Do not skip any part, because everything that I'm doing right here is going to be very, very helpful. It is you seeing someone putting you through how to go about this using ChatGPT. So do not skip any part of this video. Keep watching. So it's generating the content for us right now. So it has generated the whole 15 content for us right now. So what we want to do is to remove this motivational. I just want to show you guys an example if you don't make use of motivational tips, educational tips, or probably compelling educational tips. Is going to make it, it's going to form it in a different way. So you should make use of all those kind of fun. But for the sake of this video, I won't be doing that example. I don't want this video to be too long for you guys, like I said. So let's just copy this whole. I'll be using the first answer which we got from ChatGPT. So what we'll be doing is I'll be copying all these. Let's copy all these, and you'll be going to Google right now. So let's go to google.com. So just go to google.com and search for Google Sheets or Google Excel, either of the two. You can use Google Sheets or use Google Excel. So just click on the first one or the second one. It's the same thing. You're going to land on the same page. Now what you need to do is to create a blank page. So just click a blank page. Just click blank, and you would have this screen. On this screen, just pick the one, the first Excel part. I'm sure you guys might know how to use Excel, and input it. You need to paste what you've copied. So this is everything that you've copied from ChatGPT, and you can see right here that it listed the whole 47 contents. While this, I think this last one is not complete, but let's just leave it like that. I don't want to go through the stress of editing that. Now the next thing you need to do is to go to Google again, or just go straight to canva.com and open Canva. Now in every other video that I've made, there's a way for you to get Canva lifetime package, and that way is by going to this website called metribe.com. I'll be leaving the link in my description. So just go to metribe.com metrohype.com. So just go to metrohype.com. Once you get this screen, click on become an advertiser. Once you've registered, then go to login. Go to login, input your username and your password. Then once you're logged in, you'll see my dashboard right now. So this is my dashboard right now, and what you'll be doing is you click on order, then new order, then go to you're going to see something here which is going to be account for sale, not that. Okay, you see orders, so click on orders, select. So you can get QBots Premium 1 year package, you can get Microsoft 1 year package, Grammarly Premium 1 year package, and right here you will see Canva Pro Lifetime. So you can get Canva Pro Lifetime package right now. So just go to this website and follow the step, you get Canva Pro Lifetime package. And this is my own Canva account. You can see I've been making use of it to create my my YouTube thumbnails, and just to show you guys that I'm not limited to anything on Canva. I can use the content planner, I can use the brand, and everything is working perfectly. I don't need to pay any other money monthly to Canva to use or to have access to all those premium stuff on the application. So going back to the video, so once you've gotten your account, I'm going to show you guys how to make use of content planner once you've created all this content. So there are so many things you can do with Canva, the usual Canva free account. So I would advise you guys to get the Canva premium package. So what we want to do right now is to create or customize a template. So let's just click on create a design. We want to create a design right now. So we'll be creating an Instagram design, because we want to be making use of Instagram. Probably you want to post on Instagram, even if it's Facebook or Pinterest, you can use any of it. So just click on Instagram posts. So right now we want to pick a design we want to be making use of whenever we want to get the post done. So right now, I'll just look for a very simple design, which is going to be this. So I'll be using this design. And one thing you should know is you won't be able to do what I want to do right now with free Canva accounts. You can only use paid Canva account. So what we'll be doing now is you scroll down here and you see apps, click on apps. Once you click on that, scroll down a bit, you would see bulk create. Click on bulk create, and right now you can make use of upload CSV. You would not see this on the free version. So once you click upload, then you would select the one you downloaded, or the one you downloaded as CSV from Google Doc. Now once you've downloaded it right now, I want to show you guys that you can do this on free accounts. So let me show you my free account. This is the same content on my free account right now. You can see is showing here, try Canva Pro. And on my second account, you can't see anything like that. So right now you can see there's nothing like bulk create here, but you can see it right here. I've made use of it right here. So once it's uploaded, you come here, click on this, then right click on it again. Or probably if you are making use, I don't even think you can make use of your phone for this, because there are some things you can do on Canva website and you can do with Canva app. So probably if you click here, so you can click on that 3 dots and you would see connect data. So click on that. Once you click on the connect data, you can edit the color, because I don't really like the color. Depending on what you want, you can change the color to probably purple, and change this to maybe light purple or something. Anyhow you want it, you can edit the color to your own taste. So right now you just click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see all the results ChatGPT has given to us is listed here. Now the next thing you just need to do is to click on generate pages. Once you click on generate pages, just give it a few minutes. Canva AI is going to generate all the pages for you, all the 46 pages for you, and you can now start making little touches or editing it to your own taste, but the whole content has been written for you in less than 2 minutes. So once all of that has been written for you, you can see everything has been generated for you. You can see everything has been generated for you. Show interest, show support, everything has been generated for you. Please and please, if you find this video very interesting and educative and you really enjoy the way I've explained in this video, please and please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's going to really help me or encourage me to create more videos like this, more videos that is going to help you with your business and grow your social media. So if you experience any difficulty making use of Canva, or after you've gotten Canva from that website Metro Hype, you can simply contact me or send me or drop your comments in the comment section of this video. So now I want to show you guys how you can share this content to your Instagram page, to your Pinterest or any other, and schedule this whole content there. So right now you click on share and you can scroll down, you click on more, and you can make use of the content planner. You can see social media. Right now you can click on schedule. You can immediately post any of these pages on your Instagram, your Facebook immediately, in case you want to post it immediately. And as well, you can schedule all these posts for 90 days, for the next 90 days for it to, so you can see, you can schedule it to start tomorrow. Then you click on next. Once you click on next, which page do you want this do you want Canva to post for you? You know, Instagram can only accommodate 10 pictures, and you can see it's as automatically selected 1 to 10 for you. So if it's just the current page you want to post, you can just select the current page, or just select any page you want to post, then click on select your channel. This select your channel is going to allow you select the social media platform at which you want to post any of these pages on, and you've already chosen the dates you want this one to be posted. You choose another date, choose another date. So you can click on Instagram business. Once you click on Instagram business, you need to link your Instagram account with Canva. So once you've linked your Instagram account with Canva, you are going to find everything as easy as, like, you'll be posting on your social media without stress. So you could just pick a day and create this whole content, do everything, which is not going to take you more than 1 hour. Then select each date you want this content to be posted. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you find this video very educative. I'm sure you've made your offering by clicking on the like button. And thank you for watching this video. See you when I see you. More videos to come shortly. Don't forget to subscribe.